A site needs to perform file system backups of Solaris, Red Hat, Windows, and Windows clients. Backups are initiated by the Symantec NetBackup scheduler, and the backup of specific files are also initiated by the administrators of the client hosts. Both full and differential backups must be performed. What is the minimum number of policies and schedules that must be configured? Option A. 2 policies with 3 schedules in each policy. Option B. 2 policies with 4 schedules in each policy. Option C. 4 policies with 2 schedules in each policy. Option D. 4 policies with 3 schedules in each policy. The correct answer is option A. A Unix client has the mount points listed below. /var/use/opt/home. A backup policy for this client has allow multiple data streams enabled and contains a backup selections list with the all_local_drives directive. It also contains an exclude list that excludes /home. What happens when this backup policy runs? Option A. All backup jobs complete successfully. Option B. Backup jobs are created for all mount points except for /home. Option C. The backup job for /home is partially successful because /home is excluded. Option D. The backup job for /home fails because /home is excluded. The correct answer is option D. Where should the Symantec NetBackup administrator look in the Symantec NetBackup administration console to determine whether an advanced disk storage server is already configured? Option A. Media and Device Management Devices Storage Servers. Option B. Media and Device Management Host Storage Servers. Option C. Media and Device Management Credentials Storage Servers. Option D. Media and Device Management Device Monitor Storage Servers. The correct answer is option C. Which 2 methods are used to set up disk spanning to allow backups to span multiple basic disk storage units? Select 2. Option A. Select host properties media servers media allow backups to span disks. Option B. Select storage unit allow backup to span disks. Option C. Configure a storage unit group and add all disk storage units regardless of media server. Option D. Configure a storage unit group that consists only of disk storage units defined on a single media server. Option E. Confirm that a load balancing storage unit is selected at the group level. The correct answer is option A, D.
Oh